Hello. So I'm doing a demonstration here because we can't do labs really at home unless you can figure out some way to do this. That would be great too. And then you could send it to me. But right here, the thermometer shows that the water is at 134 degrees. 134 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? So that has a lot of energy, a lot of kinetic energy, which is energy in motion. The molecules are moving. I'm going to place a pack of washers that are at room temperature into that water. And we're going to see what happens to the amount of energy that's in that water and what takes place with it. We're going to watch, and I'm watching with you. I don't know how well you can see that, but I'll read it for you as we do it. After placing that into the water, the temperature is going down. So the energy of the molecules moving fast, we know that they move fast, right? When energy is applied to molecules, whether it's solid, liquid, or gas, they start moving fast. And here we are now down to 130, about 132 Fahrenheit on our temperature gauge. So we're going to wait a little while to see what temperature it ends up at. It's getting down a little bit farther yet. So where did that energy go that was in that water to begin with? Where did it go? What happened to that energy? What happened to the energy? Well, that energy was transferred to these washers. They were transferred to these washers. And now these washers are holding the energy of what the water had. That's conduction. The transfer of energy through particles of a solid. So you watch the other videos on the Google Classroom, and this hopefully will help you to understand conduction.